Hey guys, Dan here with Hunt Haul, giving you an idea of what you should expect when you first pick up your Hunt Mate. So in this bag here, you'll find a harness, 2 straps, 2 aluminum pieces, one of them should definitely be bent, a little bag with hardware. It's got some nuts, bolts, eye bolts, washers, and wire rope, and of course your Hunt Haul sled pieces. All fits conveniently in this backpack. It either has straps if you prefer, or you can of course hook it up to anything with molly straps. So here you have all your parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're all labeled, all easy to read. Lay them out like this so you know exactly what you're doing. Then you'll need either a 15mm wrench, a 9/16 wrench, or an adjustable wrench. We call these spanners where I come from. Now, first and foremost, once you've got all your parts laid out, go ahead and take your front aluminum bumper. You'll notice that my plastic pieces are bent. That is because they have been set up once or twice before. If you're doing this in a cold climate, it's a good idea to have either a hairdryer or a heat gun on standby if you do want to make things a little easier on yourself. But you can muscle these into shape. So taking your first bumper piece, your first section, lay that on top of piece number 2 and piece number 3 also on top of that. Then your other aluminum piece on top, and you're going to kind of sandwich all those pieces in together, lining up holes as you do so. Take your eye bolts with a washer and a nut already screwed down as far as you can. Pop that through one of the 2 middle holes, like so, and it'll start to line up your pieces for easy assembly. And go ahead and put a washer and a nut on there. And just do it up finger tight. You'll see it's already bringing those pieces into alignment and sandwiching them together. Take your next eye bolt, do the same thing. See, it slides in nice and easy. Washer and nut. Don't cross thread, because that's not fun. And these are all stainless steel hardware as well, so you should find these will last for hopefully your whole hunting life. Take your crescent bolts, put one on either side, making sure your holes are lined up as you do. You'll notice as well, if you look on the underside, both of those holes there are square. That allows you to keep hold of those crescent bolts really nicely. Go ahead and put a washer and a nut on there as well. And you can see it's all coming together. These other holes here should line up as well, not too far off. Go ahead and take piece number 5, slide it underneath 1 and 3, and insert the tabs into the slots on the back of piece number 2. When you've got them in, just pull and it'll slide into place, getting those holes there fairly close. Now you can go and take piece number 4 and 6, slide it into the slot on piece number 1 and 3, lining up those holes, place a bolt through there with another washer and a nut. To assemble the side of the Hunt Mate sled. Take your final piece, number 7, and repeat the same as what you've done with piece number 5. Putting it underneath pieces 4 and 6, and just pull it into place. Once you've got all those pieces in there, go ahead and take 2 more bolts and put one in either side to hold the rest of your sled together. And there's a reason we're just doing these finger tied at first, and it's not for Hazel's good, even though she likes to make an appearance between chasing lizards. Nope, it's definitely so that you can complete the next step, which is putting your straps through. You'll see they have black lines on one side and no lines on the other. Place them black line side down and feed through piece number 3 into the 2 slots. So you'll see an orange strap on the outside but nothing on the inside. And repeat for the other side here, going through piece number 1. And do the same thing at the back of the sled. Going through piece number 6, into piece number 4, now get your piece of wire rope. You'll see it has 2 loops on either side. Go ahead and feed it through the eye bolts. Take your shackle and connect the 2. This gives you a great place to be able to attach your harness, which you can either attach to the G-clip. See, it's got a great little locking mechanism there. If you want a longer line, or you can, as I have it, because I'm a little bit shorter, I just clip it back onto the harness itself and attach the D-shackle to this giant washer on the harness. There you are, all attached and ready to go. You can, of course, not use the harness, hook it up to your e-bike, hook it up to your buddy, hook it up to your horse, pull along your game or your hunting gear, whatever you need. Go ahead and tighten up all those nuts using your wrench, spanner or adjustable wrench. connect your straps, and you can turn it into a little bit more of a curled sled by popping these two pieces here on the inside, like so. Or you can use it flat to carry even more gear. Now, people have asked me, how much can you carry with this? Well, I'm 160 pounds and I was able to carry a 120 pound hog without too much of an issue. It's really down to how much you can physically pull. The great thing about it is high density polyethylene. You'll see it's very shiny. It skims across most surfaces really well. These tabs here as well provide, well, they're facing a direction that allows you to skim across things rather than dig into them. As far as I'm aware, the weakest point is a shackle, which I believe has about a 580 pound working load. The rope is fairly heavy duty as well, so it's really up to you and what you're capable of. I know that for me, being able to drag a hog out of the swamps here in Florida where I live would be quite a challenge if I didn't have the Hunt Mate. I've also used it to take out my tree stands, ladder, tool bag, cooler, a chainsaw or two, all the things you need to set up your favorite hunting spot. You can take out as well, I've done once before with a blind and chairs and everything that you need to get out and get hunting. So it's in your hands now. Hunt smarter, huh? Happy hunting.